Instagram just changed again, and here are 10 features you need to start using right now. Most people are going to hear about it and do absolutely nothing with them, but don't let that be you. And if you're a social media manager, a content creator, a business owner, some of this update is going to help you build visibility, stay organized, and make your content perform even better. So instead of telling you what is new, I'm going to show you what changed and how to use it intentionally to grow on Instagram right now. Hey bestie, if you're new here, my name is Tiffany and I teach you how to live intentionally, grow on social media and become the best version of yourself while building a life that you actually love. And if that is what you're interested in, hit the subscribe button right now, turn on the post notification, and let's quickly dive into it. The first update is reorder your grid. And what changed? You can now rearrange posts on your profile. That means you can place a particular video or carousel in a particular place just to make your profile look aesthetically pleasing and organized. And if you're someone that is obsessed with aesthetics, you are going to love this feature. So why does it matter? You have better aesthetics. You can highlight important content like testimonials, your services, your offers. And how can you use this? If you're a social media manager, move your portfolio, your offers, your services, your testimonials to the top of your profile so people can easily see them. Update number 2, captions on individual carousel slides. Prior to this, every carousel, you just need a single caption, right? And that caption does all the job. But right now, with this update, something new is going on. So what changed? Each carousel slide can now have its own caption through context. And how can you use it? You can use it for tutorial, storytelling, product showcases, educational content. So instead of forcing everything into one caption, now each slide is going to speak on its own. What it simply means is that you can have a caption for each of your carousel slides. You don't have to jam pack every information into one caption just like we were doing before. And I think this update is really sensible, and Instagram is the first to put out such a feature. And I'm glad people are already using it and they are loving the feature. So you need to try it as soon as possible. Update number 3, algorithm control. What changed? Instagram is giving users more control over what they see. That means you get to choose what you want to see on your feed. And we all know algorithm controls everything, right? So imagine if you can control your algorithm. I really think this feature is fantastic. You get to choose what you want to see. If you're interested in fitness, skincare, educational content, football, you can decide what you want your algorithm to be showing you. And I think this is a beautiful way to just be seeing content that you're interested in so you never get bored. So now, how can you use this feature? You need to start interacting with the kind of content you really want to see, because you are going to be seeing more of those contents. Make sure to follow people in your niche, your industry, and creators you learn from, because the algorithm is learning from your behavior. Whatever you're interacting with, whatever you are choosing for your algorithm, is exactly what your algorithm is going to be showing you. Update number 4, clickable link in posts. You guys are going to love this. Come closer. So what changed? Links can now be added directly to your captions. If you add links to your captions, it is not going to show as link. It is not going to be clickable. But now Instagram is reversing that. Your links can now be clicked on when you post them through your content. So how can you use this? This is perfect for product launches, lead magnets, newsletters, courses, even your YouTube videos if you want people to click on the link and go to your YouTube channel. And what I love about this is that it removes friction and it makes it very easy for your audience to take action. And that brings us to update number 5, analytics for public accounts. So what really changed? More profiles can now access performance data. That means you can easily check what is working, what content is picking up, what your audience is really enjoying and what they are not enjoying. So you can focus on what is working and do less of what is not working. Now, how can you use it? You can use it by tracking your profile visits, content performance, and your follower growth. So this way you know what is already working and what is not working. And if you don't know what is working, how are you going to grow? Update number 6, schedule trial reels. This one is really exciting for me. If you already know, Instagram have a trial reel where they can push out your content to no followers, making it easier for new people to know you, engage with you, follow you. But now they just sharpened everything and made it even much more lovely by making sure that you can schedule your trial reel, because the initial challenge is people don't have the time and energy to post as they go. But if you're someone who loves to schedule, this feature is just for you. And so what changed here? Trial reels can be scheduled. And how can you use it? And use it to badge your content, test new ideas, and stay consistent. So you don't have any reason not to show up anymore. You can schedule your trial reel and reach new followers. Update number 7, client access management. And we social media managers, we are going to love this one. Conclusion. So what changed here? Clients can now give access without sharing passwords. And how can you use this? This is a game changer for all social media managers. And all you have to simply do is to tell your clients to go to account settings, then click on access management and invite a team member, which is you. What I love about this one is that it is very much safe, professional, and there will not be any back and forth between you and your client. And also as a business owner, you can also use this feature to give access to people who you want them to look at your page, probably manage your page for you, okay? Update number 8, AI translation. This is magical because I never expected that we are going to get to this point. And let me tell you about this feature. So what changed? Instagram can translate content into other languages more naturally. That means if you create a video where you're saying something in English language, they can be able to translate what you're saying into Spanish or French, you get, so that people from those countries or people that speak those languages can hear you and get the information you are trying to pass. So now how can you use it? If you serve a global market, you can create ones and reach more people. This is going to make it easier for more people, but your content, increase your reach, make you even go viral. I really love it, but it can be kind of weird knowing that you saw that video in English language and suddenly you're speaking Spanish. Update number 9, hashtag accuracy improvement. We social media managers have been telling you guys to stop using more than 5 hashtags, but a lot of people were arguing it. So now Instagram have finally made it official. Right? So what really changed? Instagram is improving hashtag recognition and relevance. So how can you use it? Stop using random hashtags. Make sure the hashtags that you're using is niche related to your industry, have the right keywords, and is also related to the topic that you're talking about. Remember to stick to 5 hashtags. Even right now, Instagram won't let you use more than 5 hashtags. So even if you're stubborn, you don't have a choice. And the final update, number 10, is competitor tracking. This is the last but not the least. This is my favorite out of all these updates because guess what? When you know what is working with your competitors, you can take an idea and apply it in the way it stands your brand out. I don't know if that makes sense. So what actually changed? You can compare performance against your competitors. That means you will see what they are doing, see what is working for them, see what's not working for them, see a gap that you can actually fill in and use it and get ahead in your niche, in your industry. So how can you use it? For social media managers, this one is good. So how you can use it is by looking at content format, posting frequency, and engagement patterns. This is where you're going to see everything you need to know. And I would like to say this, Instagram is changing real fast. And the people who benefit from it are the people who don't just hear about the update, but apply it and leverage it to grow their social media. So tell me in the comment section, which of the updates are you most excited for? I really cannot wait to hear from you guys. And that's all the cake I have for you. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe right now, and turn on the post notification. What are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, and I would love to see you in my next video.